They didn't have Princess Peach or Rosalina. Or, Rosalina. Now, let's put the star up here. I really like this. The star has to be somewhere all high, so like these. I'm not gonna put it in the. I'm just trying to fit some more blocks. I'll make my own one. Put it under here. Put the dirt where it belongs. Sorry. And now let's make a house now. Oh, you hear that inside there? You hear that?
What's in there?
Maybe phone beads. Oh, magnets. Mario got the star. Mario got the star. I'm so happy. Toads do that. No, Toads are supposed to be. Toads are not supposed to. There's some cows. There's some, and he's just walking. Toad's just walking around.